Here's how to get Microsoft reward points fast. For us to get Microsoft reward points, the best way that we can do is this one. First things first, I want you to go ahead and open a pure VPN, or basically any VPN service that you have. It could be free or it could be a paid service. Mine is a paid service right here, and the first thing that I'm gonna do is connect to the US. If you are connected to the US, it's gonna be a whole different story. So being connected to the US, what's gonna happen is you're going to be able to get more points. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open Bing, and here in Bing I'm gonna proceed. So make sure you open it, or you close and open it once again once you have opened it previously. There you go. Now as of the moment, I can go ahead and click on my profile here, and you should be able to see how much points I am having. All right, there you go. It says that as of the moment I have 37, and I think that's a good number. Now I can go ahead and earn more, and I'm gonna show you how to get this done. So yeah, of course, the first thing that you can do is head over here. There is a streak that you can do, or there are tasks that you should be able to do here. You can just go ahead and tap on them in order for you to see. There you go. That's 10 points already. Now I can go ahead and choose the other one here. Click this one. All right, and there is a question, so we're going to go ahead and answer that one, but it's not really necessary. I'm just going to go ahead and say A, and then close this one. We're going to head back, and yeah, we have now collected 10 or 20 in this case. Now there are also daily activities that we can do, so we have to search, and then we also have to read. Now say for example, for reading, I'm just going to go ahead and click on it right here, and we're just going to try to find something. So this is a good way actually for us to earn, because it's gonna earn, or it's gonna give us like 30 in a day. And if you're the kind of person who keeps on reading, or who likes to read news, then I think this is going to be very beneficial for you. So as you can see, I'm just scrolling, and then if you are going to check somewhere right here, you should be able to see that now I am earning. Again, what I'm doing is just simply scrolling, everybody. There you go. That's a total of 9 already. Let's just go ahead and try to look for more, or scroll more here. All right, that's another 3. Now I can go ahead and try to open, say for example, another one from here, and then all I have to do really is just scroll. I don't even have to read this one, and you can see that I am earning points from it. All right, so yeah, that is another way that you can do. Now we're gonna head back, and if we're gonna go ahead and check the points that we have, we basically are now at 78. Now if you're gonna scroll down here, you should be able to track here the daily activities as well. Yeah, you can go ahead and start searching for, say for example, all of this thing, print screen. There you go. And then I can go ahead and try to look for more item. Say for example, I'm gonna go ahead and try to just type this one right here. Yeah, from this point, go ahead and try to open some of these links right here, and then you can go ahead and try to scroll down, and then you can go ahead and try to search again. So basically what's gonna happen is that the more you search, the more you earn. And yeah, another thing that you can do is the tasks here. So there are different tasks that you can do, but what I'm gonna do is try to find the one that has the highest point. There is actually one here. Let's just go ahead and find it. If you're not seeing it though, similar to what I'm having here, you can go ahead and just basically try to read or type at this one right here. You can go ahead and open it, and that is 5 points. Now you can close this one, you can choose the other one, and then you can scroll once again. That's another 5, and then the third one here. And yeah, basically just repeat the same process, and you should be able to earn a good amount of points already from, or by just doing this one. All right, now let's go back here. As you can see, we are now at 98 points. And yeah, basically the last thing that you can do is just complete the 7-day streak. If you're gonna do this one, you should be able to earn 1,000 points. So that is a good amount of points already in order for you to basically afford some of these right here, or be able to redeem them. Say for example, in my case, the best one is gonna be this. I'm gonna go ahead and click it, and yeah, it's gonna be a 500 gift card or 1,000 gift card. So yeah, that I think is very much amazing. So yeah, that everybody is how you are going to get Microsoft reward points fast.